What is OpenClaw? All right, so if you could run your own AI assistant locally without sending your data to the cloud or paying any API fees, that is exactly how OpenClaw functions. So basically, it's the AI that actually does things. It's written on the website. Now, in simple terms, OpenClaw is an open source framework that lets you run a personal AI assistant directly on your computer. Unlike cloud AI tools, your prompts, files, and responses stay completely private. So anything you do stays within your computer, basically. Now, think of it like running your own version of ChatGPT, but locally with added automation and AI agent capabilities. If you were to simply scroll, you'll see what people are saying about it. And if you scroll down a bit more, you can see what it does. You can run your, you can basically run OpenClaw on any device like Mac, Windows, or Linux, Anthropic, OpenAI, or local models. You can use it on any chat application like WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, Slack, Signal, or iMessage. It works in DMs and group chats as well. And then it remembers you and becomes uniquely yours. So your preferences are carried along, your context is carried along. It becomes your AI. Now, in terms of browser control, it can actually browse the web, fill forms, and extract data from any website. And it can help you build an artificial intelligence. Yes, OpenClaw can actually do that. And how does it work? First, you give the AI a task, and then the next thing is the request goes to a local AI model machine that's running on your computer. And then the OpenClaw decides what actions are needed, processes the task, and then returns your results. All of this happens directly on your computer. So keep this in mind. It can also summarize documents, analyze PDFs, help you with coding, automate repetitive tasks, and build custom AI agents, as I mentioned earlier. It's becoming popular because AI assistants like OpenClaw solve major problems within cloud computing and using a cloud artificial intelligence like ChatGPT. All right, guys.